You must use iron out once or twice a year depending on iron levels in your water supply to prevent rust stains from your water softener. And if you do see rust stains, it can help remove that as well. Just follow this step-by-step process. Put on safety goggles and gloves to protect yourself from dangerous fumes. Add 1 cup of iron out powder to half a gallon of water in a container for one-time rust stain cleaning. Add a 1/4 cup of iron out powder to half a gallon of water for preventative maintenance. Slowly pour the dissolved iron out solution into the softener's brine well. For a softener with no brine well, pour it into the salt tank when the salt level is low. Run a manual regeneration to allow the iron out solution to circulate through the water softener resin tank, effectively removing iron buildup and rust stains. And you're done. If your water still has a smell after regeneration, run the cold water until the smell and odor are completely gone. If the issue persists, repeat the iron out cycle and rinse until it's completely eliminated. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe and share so that we can grow, too. Here's the bonus tip for those who did. You can use Rust Defense Water Softener Salt instead of the regular one to prevent iron fouling. And of course, the long-term solution is to use iron filters to prevent iron from entering the resin bed and salt tank in the first place. We have a full video on 3 best iron filters in 2023, so go check that out now.